Hey y'all, welcome back to the Trail Bears channel. In this video, we're driving to the middle of Pennsylvania, hiking out on the Appalachian Trail, backcountry camping, finding mushrooms, eastern newts, and exploring the beautiful Appalachian wilderness. We're packing up all of our stuff for the trip. We've got our Fagele pants on.
Can you pronounce the name?
We've got our hiking backpacks, and here's a suitcase where we'll put our change of clothes, our contact solution stuff, and our glasses. I just realized we still have the kayaks and the bikes inside the truck. So we're gonna have to take those down and bring the bikes inside. We've got the beef sticks, some tuna, and the fruit bars, just in case. It's gonna be pretty hot today. We're already sweating just packing up. Here's the weather in Jim Thorpe. Looks like it's gonna be low 70s until 10 p.m. So I'm not even sure if we're gonna need a sleeping bag. Got all the stuff. So we're almost to the parents' house, and we keep remembering things that we forgot to bring. So we're making a list of things we can pick up at our parents' house. One of them is an axe or a saw and a headlamp. All right, we got the sleeping bags here, sleeping pads, first aid kit, and she has a tent up there, and it's storming now. So hopefully this passes by the time we get there, but it's okay if it doesn't. We got everything except for a saw, so we're on the way to Walmart, and we're gonna pick up hot dogs too. All right, so we got everything we needed at Walmart. Sun chips, beef brats, hot dogs, Kit Kats, just the essentials. I got this thing for cutting wood, and got coffee and this oatmeal for the morning.
Fire starter.
And a fire starter because it's raining out and I'm not very confident in my fire starting abilities. So we're not gonna go to Jim Thorpe anymore because we don't know if we can camp dispersely like we want to, just set up camp anywhere. So we're gonna go to a state forest nearby, called, what's it called?
Weiser State Forest.
Weiser State Forest, and that's where we're camped. And we just realized that Hawk Mountain is right by Weiser State Forest.
Yeah.
And Geneva's really excited.
I'm so excited. This is where we went pumpkin picking.
Really?
At Savage Farms.
We went pumpkin picking here. So we were just talking about how we're gonna collect some mushrooms. Hopefully we find some good ones out there.
Oh yeah.
It just rained. That means.
Yeah. It just rained, and then today was really warm.
Oh, is that
so
good
that's
too?
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know the rain is good, and the warmth is good too.
Yeah.
Sweet. We also brought a book with us so we can identify trees. We want to get better with identifying trees. And this book shows us all the different types of trees and what the leaves look like. It has nice little pictures. We are so excited to be getting out into the woods. Geneva is going to tell you about the mushrooms she's going to find.
So since it's June in Pennsylvania, what we could find right now and is in season is chicken of the woods, hen of the woods, oyster mushrooms. We can find turkey tail. There's a few others, but that's what I'm really hoping that we find.
We're going to find them.
And then we could cook it up right on the spot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Which ones? All of them?
All of those.
They're all edible.
They're all edible.
Got the first sighting of the Appalachian Mountains. Getting close. All right, guys, we parked the car. We're at the trailhead here in Appalachia. We got 2 bags we're gonna bring with us and a cooler bag as well. I got this axe at Walmart, so hopefully I'll be able to cut some wood and start a fire and get those hot dogs going because we are hungry.
We are ready to go.
Ready to go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, y'all, we're all packed up and ready to go. She's got a huge pack on her back.
And my backpacking bag.
Mine's a bit smaller. Yeah, that took us a lot longer than anticipated, but what time is it? Like
7:30?
It's 8:30.
No way.
It is 8:30. This is our bedtime.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, nah.
You're lying.
So we're gonna start hiking out, maybe hike for like 20 minutes and then find a place to settle down.
Should we go this way?
Oh yeah, let's go this way. This is our first time out here, so I don't really know what to expect. Oh, look at all these ferns. Nah. Mushrooms already. Turkey tail.
Turkey tail. Oh my gosh, look at all these ferns. This is amazing. Between a patch of ferns.
Wow.
Wow. It's covered in ferns.
Thank you. You blocked one for me and ran into one.
These are the jelly ear mushrooms. And look at that slug. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Look at that. These are actually an edible mushroom. That's how you know.
All right, guys, quick update. We're having trouble finding a place to camp. This trail we're on is just a big slope, so we can't find anywhere that's flat. But we're gonna keep walking and see what we can find. It is getting quite dark though, and wet. Very wet. All right, guys, we found this spot. Can't really see it. It's really dark out here. It's a hatchet and a saw in one. I'm gonna use it to cut down some of these trees over here so they're out of our way. There we go.
Oh my god, that's so cute!
So I'm cutting pieces of thick branch that have fallen in hopes to find dry wood in the center. Now it'd be really helpful if I knew different types of trees out here. Looks like this one is just full of water even in the thickest part, so.
If we're gonna make pop.
making progress. Geneva doesn't want to leave the tent, so she found the longest stick ever.
Just stay in the tent. And then we'll stick on wood.
It's literally perfect. It goes
perfect.
exactly where it needed to be.
Yeah.
By the way, the fire is starting to go. Success. Well, it's 10:30 and I think I've given up on the fire. So this is desperation. I'm just gonna use the fire starter. And we're okay with it, right?
Yeah.
You got the buns?
Yep.
All right. Should be done soon. I think the juice from the hot dog made the fire work. It made the fire act up a bit, and now things are starting to really burn. Alright guys, it's raining, we're tired, we're in the tent here, we're just gonna relax, maybe watch some Outdoor Boys on YouTube, and go to bed. We'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. 6 a.m. Rained last night. We're gonna make some coffee and the oatmeal. Once it's over here, it's ready to go. And this top cookie. And twist this off. Yeah, that smells really good. I'm excited. And where's the creamer at?
It's in the bag.
Oh. Found your stash.
I mean, my sweet treat.
Do we have a container for the oatmeal? Oh, we can just use the oatmeal container. How convenient. So we're gonna get packed up and head back to the truck in a little bit. Just want to finish up this coffee before we go and enjoy the nature. But once we get back to the truck, we're gonna put the stuff in and then go on a little hike to an overlook, and I'll show you guys what that looks like when we get there. Leave no trace. That looks like a frog, but it's a rock.
It really does look like a frog.
Is that a birch?
Yeah. Whenever I see birch trees, I try to look for chaga.
Right. What happens here? What is that?
I don't know.
Okay.
Could be like diseased.
Should keep that one.
I know, right? I want to keep like this chunk too. There's another one over here. Oh my gosh, babe, there's reishi right here.
Reishi.
This is reishi. There's another note. Mushroom that looks like reishi. I forget what it's called. So I thought I found turkey tail, but flipped it over and no pores. So what I have here is false turkey tail.
That's how you tell the difference.
Yeah.
You can't eat that one, can you?
Nope.
All right.
Not edible, not medicinal.
Goodbye. We made it back to the truck. I had this thing turned all the way up and it's hardly going. I think we're finally running out of fuel on this thing. But luckily we got this big old one right here. Wow.
Wow. This is beautiful.
This is the Camel Lookout along the Appalachian Trail. If you liked that video, make sure to check out the Trail Bears YouTube channel, where we'll be posting a lot more videos just like this. And if you never want to miss out on an upcoming adventure, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you'll get notifications.